Alright, so it's getting late here in Ghent, and I just wanted to give you a little outlook what we're planning for tomorrow. We basically want to etch PCB, so put a circuit on this copper, and we selected this circuit from you guys in Texas, the light dimmer. And what we did today mostly was trying to get a better handle on KiCad. So we did this drawing here, the schematics in KiCad, and from then the next step is to basically get it here, make a PCB layout. That's the next step that we did. You can see there's some pretty big components here. It's basically mostly this guy and this other guy. And I have them handy here. So this guy will sit basically here, upright, and the other guy, this guy here, transistor, we're probably gonna mount like this. Okay, so from this layout, actually, we managed to export into SVG, and you can then pull it up on Inkscape. So where do I have that? So this is basically this guy here. So this is simply imported straight into Inkscape. It's a newer version because it does a bit of a nicer SVG layout, or the SVG elements. They make, let's say, make more sense. But there's still some, well, not perfect renderings. Not sure if you can see that, but actually there is a white element. So this is a white circle. Let me zoom in a bit so you can just see this with the dotted lines. Right, here's the white circle. And this is gonna be plotted later on, because what we are actually doing is then this file we export as G-code. There's a plugin that's available for Inkscape, and you've perhaps already seen some of our plotter videos, and so this is actually the plot of that thing. We used a very thin pen, just so you can see basically what the plotter did. Perhaps you might wondering, well, first of all, you might notice this guy. This is the white circle who is now plotted. And you might also notice that here we have some lines, and the explanation is the generation of the G-code. That is basically the default setting that the exporter is doing. We can tweak that, but this then also leads to, let's say, a lot of plotter action. And you can see that here, if we let this visualization, let's run that thing. Here you can see that it has to do all these lines, of course. That takes a lot of time, so we don't really need that, perhaps, or for sure. But that might mean manual tweaking of the SVG, at least at this point, and I guess we want to avoid that. Okay, so let's hope we get the etching done, meaning putting bits on atom, and that's it for now.